things. Okay, that's good question. Look at these things. Suppose, as for example, start. First, you need to click the start edit. Then, suppose boundary. As for example, you are just creating this thing by using the boundary like that. Okay. Finish this step.
Yes, sir.
This is wrong because you need to. If you need these areas, out of that area, what you will do? Yes or no? This portion, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
This
So,
portion you need to remove.
how to split it? Look at the screen. You need to select it. This is your option. Suppose, as for example, inactive position. You will use this editor tools, and shrink the item first. And double click it and try to see where is your this vertex. Okay, then again, suppose if you want to split from here, double click it, here is no vertex, so you need to give this vertex. Look at these things, right button click and insert vertex, so you can split it, this area of vertex. So look at these things again, this editor tools, select it, select, then this is the split. So you can split these areas or you can split this area. If you want this, you can, and your previous vertex areas you can just click it. Now it's a double option, and from the keyboard you will just press the delete. Finished it. Now it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
স্যার
Tell me.
স্যার আমি বুঝতে পারি না বিষয়টা স্যার, মানে নেটের প্রবলেম ছিল তো, একটু যদি স্যার রিপিট করতেন জিনিসটা।
Repeat means what? Repeat means sometimes maybe you are just drawing some out extra item. So how to actually remove that extra item? This is actually things. Split command. We already finished it before the 3 weeks ago. Suppose boundary, as for example, unfortunately you draw the boundary without that things like. So you need to delete from here, and this option, extra option. How to? You will select by these things. This is the selection option. Split. So this again, split this. So delete it, and then again draw it. Okay, now I think we can start because majority students are now attending here. Please, my request to everyone, this time you already saw a notice, and that's why my request to you, because the class attendance is more important this time, and the assignment is important. So please carefully attend the class, don't miss any class. And another is the assignment. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now today we will learn, suppose as for example, how many you already finished this post office? Tell me. This symbol, suppose if you clicked it, this is the database of the, tell me, this database, this is the database, and here is so many symbols, but some symbol maybe different from your symbol. So that time, what you will do? Tell me. Suppose post office, how many you already get that post office? Tell me. Your Upazila with post office. Tell me. Inside your Upazila map, any post office is available? Tell me.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. My Upazila sir are
Yes,
two
sir.
post office
Yeah.
available, sir.
And post office Rajbari also. To post
Okay.
office.
So without post office, you just finish it or with post office? The location chapter, because you need to give the post office. So how to give the post office? Tell me. Because this symbol is not available inside this area. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So how-
Edit symbol, sir.
edit symbol with this symbol is available. Look at the post office symbol. Then tell me. Look at the post office symbol. Then tell me.
Sir, it's not available, sir.
Sir, it is not available here, sir.
Yes, I know that. That's why what you will do. Without the post office, you will run these things or you need to give that post office. That's why today we learn how to give this post office. Okay? Suppose that for example, I just put it this area. For your better understanding, I just give it this area a point. Okay? Started it and give this area a location point. So look at this thing. Okay? And then go to the attributes. Today I will give you this task to make it. After I give the location, I just put the value. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is post office. 7 post office. Okay. This is my post office. Okay. I just finished it. Then save it. Stop it. Okay. Now it is shows me the default item. Yes or no? Tell me. Default item. This is the default item. This is the post office. So how to change it? The first, I need to give something here as a post office, because this area there is no name is post office. So right button click, properties, then add value, because this time I need to give the another value. If I give add all value, it will totally change. So if any single item, if you need to add here, what you will do? You will just add value. So I am just clicking the add value and click this item, OK, apply and OK. So my post office is now here. Yes or no? Tell me. So my post office is now here, but the symbol is not matching. So we need to create this symbol. Create this symbol. How to create? Makes an image. How to make it image? Look at the screen. I just, because up to this it already finished. Maybe you already finished it. So we will make this post office symbol as a JPG format. So I just print the screen from the keyboard. Look at your computer. There is a print screen option. See, click this print screen. Click it. Click this print screen. Then I already printed it. So now, paint, P-A-I-N-T, paint. This is the paint. I just click here and open the paint and click the paste. Now, the total print screen is now it's a JPG format is now. Now I need to cut it. How to copy it? This symbol, select option here, select it, and select this option. How to look at it? Select this option. Then click this copy. How to select? Paste for the whole page. Paste it. Then select from that area. Then copy. Then copy. Just copy. Then file and click the new. Don't save it. Now you need to make it small category and paste it. Now this is your symbol. I just repeat it again so that you can understand. This is my ArcMap print screen. I will give you time, don't worry, I will give you time, no problem. Just what I am doing, look at this thing. I will give you time, don't worry. Then paint. Then paste it. Now that whole page is now. Then select it from this option. Select it. And select the whole thing. Okay. Then copy it. Then now we do not need the whole page. That's why file and new. Then don't save it. If your page is too big, so you will click this arrow, click it. Okay, click it and move it and make it small. And then click again paste. So your JPG is now there. Then file and save as. Then go to your folder where is your that file. Suppose this is my file, I just use it JPG and write it here. Post office. So my request to everyone, first please make this JPG. Everyone make it. Please open your JPG file and make it. Please make it, please. My request to everyone, make it. When you finish, then I will go to the next. Otherwise, you can't. I just give you 5 minutes to make it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, 5 minutes, please. Make it. You finish, then tell me. Please, everyone, try this thing and make it, because this type of problem you will face in your practical life. That's why, please. Finished it, yes or no? Because next, how to change it, we will learn. Finished it, yes or no, please?
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, done. Now, how to, please, you already prepared this type of symbol with name? If not, please add it.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Tell me.
Sir, I didn't hear your voice properly, sir. Can you repeat again?
Okay. If any problem, I'll just. Now the voice is clear?
Yes, sir. Now, okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Now, okay.
Okay. So please, you already made this Post office, yes or no? This symbol.
Yes.
Because
Yes.
without that it is difficult. Okay, now you will just click it. Okay, click it. Then go to your symbol, this symbol, or you can select this symbol. Please, my request you select other symbol. Any other symbol, it will help you. Okay, any other symbol, then go to the edit symbol. Okay, any other symbol, select it, then go to the edit symbol. After the edit symbol, you need to click this type and select the picture marker symbol. Okay, select it. I repeat it again. Select the picture marker symbol, select it. Okay. Then click the picture. This symbol with picture, click it. Then select where is your symbol, select it. Open it. Okay. Then if you need to delete some symbol, delete it. Okay, then okay this symbol. Now increase the symbol size. Okay. And this time, okay, this is the symbol and okay, look, this is your symbol.
Yes, sir. Now got it.
Now got it. So,
Yes, sir.
if you increase it, you can. Okay. If any symbol is not available in the database, then you can make it. If you
Sir,
finish,
please again repeat, sir, how we copy this one, sir.
copy or just how we make this symbol, this the
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
paint option, paint areas, paint. How to make this symbol like that, or how to change the symbol like this arc map? Tell me. Please respond, otherwise I can't understand what actually you want. How to change the
Yes,
symbol?
sir. No, sir. This is sir. Paint, open, and then, sir.
Paint. Okay, look at this.
How to
Paint.
change the
Copy, sir.
symbol, sir.
Okay. Just print the screen, keyboard, then click here, paint. Paint.
Yes, sir.
Then select this option. Then select this symbol. Select it. Then copy from here.
Sir, but this two skins, sir, how we adjust, sir?
Why you need to adjust it?
Imran, from the paint, you should save this file. Then you will sense this.
Please, you do not need to care about this thing because you are now working on the paint area. So you will select from this option, then copy from there. Then you need to file and new and don't save it. Now this is your, this file may be bigger. So make it smaller this thing. Then paste it. Then file and save as and JPG. And then post office, suppose 1. I just put it post office 1. Save it. Close it. Now I am just changing the same thing with another symbol. So you need to select some symbol from here. Some symbol from here, as for example. Then edit symbol. Then you need to select it, picture marker symbol, then it will automatically open, but from where you need to open picture. Now I am selecting the image 1. Open it. This is the extra thing. That's why I need to delete it. From this cross, I just delete it from the option. Then OK. Then increase the size. You will increase the size depend on the your and finished it. Make it. The next, I think your symbol, any type of category, if it is not available, then how to draw it, you know that. Now I am going to the next, the important thing. The electrical, you also see these things because same type of problem maybe you face, how to overcome these things here. Now the road, look at the road. All the things are now, I'm just starting it. Look, this is the one road, this is the another road, okay, and this is the another road. So here is the 3 category road with one color. How to change it? Okay, after that you are add again, then we will start it. Okay, so please everybody again join. I'm just closing it because if it is okay now the next how to change it. So we already prepared something. Their role and ID, we know that. Last class you already finished it, I know that. How to separate it? I just give it something. So this, how many road is there? Black color, red color, and blue color. Okay, this black color road is maybe, I just see so that this on the width there is vary from each other. Okay, so red color is Upazila Road Paka, Union Road. This is National Highway. So we will just separate it. Click open active table, and now this is National Highway. Okay, suppose this road is one on for National Highway. National Highway. Okay. Second thing is the red color is. Tell me, red color. What does it mean? Red color. Upazila Park. Upazila. So red color is Upazila Road. I'm just selecting these things with suppose 4. Road. If any spelling is mistake, you can just inform me. Okay. Then again, this is suppose 5, and this is Union Road. Okay, finished it. So now the next, look, all are same color. So how to change it? Next is you need to save it, stop it, because you already separated these things. Now right button click, go to the properties. You already know that how to, but I'm just giving the things. Before that, go to the level. And apply and OK. Then again, level feature, so the road now is here. Now we need to change it. Again, properties. Then display symbol is here, categories. Then name wise, you will give the name wise categories, add all values. So 3 name is here. Apply and OK. Now you need to change it. National highway. Okay, national highway. The road color is okay, red, and increase the width. And it's a black color. Okay, black. Second thing is union. Union is it's a blue color. Union is blue, yes or no? Tell me. I'm just forgetting this thing. Union is blue color.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please inform me. Otherwise, it's union blue color. Okay, union blue color. And last is Upodena. Look at this thing. Change the color. And this is the color. So look at these things. How to change it? Clear it? Okay. This is the way to change the road. Now please, road practice, you already finished it maybe. Now I am just calling your name one by one. Next class, before the next class, I will give you an assignment and you will read the assignment carefully and submit it. When I tell you at the class time, I will give you the time. Before that, please don't send me the assignment. Please, at the class time, maybe, I repeat it again, maybe I'll tell you, please make this national highway green color, for example, and send it to me that time. So you need to send it, change it, and that time you need to send it. My concept is clear.
Yes, sir.
Assignment, if I tell you make it green color, now you need to make it green color. If I tell you, suppose that for example, location, please change the location, primary school, another symbol. Maybe you will change it. And within that time, you need to send it to me so that we can protect the copy. Present class.
Sir, next class.
Yes.
Not
Okay,
next
sir.
class.
Next
Sir
class.
will give assignment, then sir will tell that when we need to submit it.
Next class. Last time, okay, I will give the instruction, or before the day ago, I will give you something instruction. You will prepare it, and the class time I will give you some modification. Then I will give you the time to send it, and you will send it.
Okay, sir.
What about the exam, sir?
There is no exam because the UGC there is, listen, 28 people, 27 people, but 4 people are only absent. Why you are calling other things? So please listen. Next
Sir.
class, yes.
Sir, it is possible to show our first term exam results, sir? Because we
Listen.
don't know.
We can't show anything now. Understand the situation? Okay. Please give your assignment on time and attend the class. This time is class is very, very important. I think you understand what I am meaning. Okay?
Sir, so sir, in 21 we have to submit the sir assignment
Assignment,
project.
yes. At the class time, I will give you something, then you will send me. Not like that. I will give you some instruction. You will prepare on that instruction, on the basis of instruction. Then I will tell you, please change this area, and now send it. Okay? So thank you everybody. Next class, inshallah, prepare everything. So your boundary, please, your complete everything. I'll just repeat it again. Electrical and other department and also the civil and agriculture. Location, all the item. You know that. How to categorize the road, you also know that. Only the boundary, not the international, not like that. Only the outer boundary of the Upazila or PDS. And the river, you do not need to draw the any canal, any pond. You will just draw the river. And electrical, your substation, your grid substation, your location, your road, your river, your PBS boundary, everything what I mentioned before that and also today, you will include it and prepare these things. Because look at this thing, GIS is not a actually separate thing. All the things together and gives a solid something. Now it is clear, everyone? Tell
Yes,
me,
sir. Clear, sir.
next class, maybe, listen, next class, maybe, I repeat it, maybe, I can just tell you, please, open your screen, share your screen, and I will give the assignment mark. Maybe it will happen. Clear my concept? If you show it, you do not sell me. If we allow you, please share your screen. You will share it. Okay? Thank you everyone. Assalamu alaikum.